Hi everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct, welcome to Animation Capstone. Hope everybody's having a great week. Welcome to week 5. Almost halfway through the course. I'm getting there pretty good. I'll take a look at everybody's grades and go from there and their assignments. Other than that, let's get into it. Let's get started and let's check out what we got. So this week we're going to be talking about Premiere since we're starting to implement the clip for the title card, the clip for the end card. We're doing the whole thing. And now we're starting to do the pieces of Premiere. We started last week, but now we're going to really get into it and really dive into it. And also dive into more of the first 30 seconds as a whole. And that's what we're really going to focus on and really get into details about that. Not only are we going to talk about introducing Premiere Pro, we're also going to talk about its features, how it can import footage of any file format, edit and trim footage with precision. Not only that, we'll talk about all the different other elements as well as like how to add animation and video effects, audio as well, and what you can do with After Effects. But we'll also talk about the challenge it has and how you can create your first 30 seconds to go with that. And we'll all talk about that tomorrow during lecture. That's going to be awesome. Other than that, that's all I got. So just a quick announcement real quick, just keep you a heads up. Lecture same time as always, 7 Eastern, 6 Central. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, hope everybody has a good week. There should be a discussion this week, so please make sure to post an initial discussion post by Tuesday. That would be awesome. Other than that, that's all I got. All right, my friends, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope to see everybody for a lecture tomorrow. Take it easy. Bye-bye.